Did you know that 46% of all Google searches are for local businesses? Every day, millions of people search for businesses near them: restaurants, plumbers, dentists, auto repair shops, and more. But here's the problem. If your business is not optimized for local searches, you are invisible to potential customers who are actively looking for your services. That is where local SEO comes in. Local SEO helps small businesses, service providers, and brick-and-mortar stores show up in Google Search, Google Maps, and local directories, bringing in more customers, more phone calls, and more revenue. But how does Google decide which businesses appear at the top of search results? How can you optimize your online presence to beat your competitors and dominate your local market? That is exactly what we will cover in this video. If you really want to take your SEO career to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing Courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying career in SEM. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert marketing content. What is local SEO? Why does it matter? Before we dive into local SEO strategies, let us first understand what local SEO is and why it is important. Local SEO, local search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your business's online presence to rank higher in local search results. Whenever someone searches for businesses near them, Google shows results based on location, relevance, and credibility. For example, if someone searches for best coffee shop near me, emergency plumber in London, dentist in New York City, Google's algorithm works to show the most relevant and trusted businesses. The goal of local SEO is to get your business listed in these search results, especially in Google's local pack and Google Maps. Why is local SEO important? Increases visibility. More than 75% of users never scroll past the first page of Google. If your business is not ranking in the top results, you're missing out on customers. 2. Boosts website traffic and leads. Local searches have a high conversion rate. Over 80% of local mobile searches result in a purchase or an in-store visit. 3. Competes with larger brands. Big corporations dominate global SEO, but local SEO allows small businesses to compete effectively within their community. 4. Improves trust and credibility. Businesses that appear in Google's local pack, the top 3 local results, are considered more trustworthy by customers. Now that we know why local SEO is so important, let us dive into how Google ranks local businesses and how you can optimize your business to rank higher. How Google ranks local businesses, the 3 core factors. Google uses 3 major ranking factors to determine which local businesses appear at the top of search results. 1. Relevance. Relevance is all about how well your business matches a searcher's query. Google looks at your business category, website content, Google business profile details, keywords and reviews. If someone searches for Italian restaurant near me, Google will prioritize Italian restaurants over general fast food places. That is why it is important to accurately categorize your business and use relevant keywords. 2. Distance. Google considers how far your business is from the person searching. If you are physically close to the searcher, your business is more likely to appear in the results. However, if your business serves multiple locations, you can still optimize for different areas by creating location-specific pages on your website. 3. Prominence. Prominence refers to how well-known and trusted your business is. Google measures this through online reviews and ratings, backlinks from local websites, citations on directories like Yelp, Bing, and Apple Maps, social media engagement. The more positive customer interactions, backlinks, and citations you have, the higher your business will rank. Now that we know how Google ranks local businesses, let us explore how to optimize your business for local SEO success. Optimizing your Google business profile for maximum local SEO impact. Your Google business profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is the foundation of a successful local SEO strategy. It is the first thing potential customers see when they search for businesses like yours on Google Search and Google Maps. A well-optimized GBP not only improves your visibility but also increases customer trust and engagement. If your business does not appear in Google's local pack, the top 3 business listings in search results, you're losing valuable customers to competitors who have optimized their profiles. Here's how you can fully optimize your Google business profile to rank higher in local search results and attract more customers. 1. Claim and verify your listing. The first step in optimizing your Google business profile is to claim and verify your listing. If your business is not yet listed, you need to create a profile by visiting Google Business Profile. How to claim your Google Business Profile. Go to Google Business Profile Manager, https://www.google.com/business/ and sign in. Search for your business name to check if it is already listed. If it is listed, click Claim this business and follow the verification steps. If it is not listed, click Add Your Business to Google and enter your details. How to verify your listing. Google requires verification to ensure that you are the legitimate owner of the business. You can verify your profile through postcard verification. Google sends a postcard with a verification code to your business address. Takes about 5 to 10 days. Phone verification. Google calls or texts a verification code to your registered phone number. Email verification. Some businesses may get the option to verify via email. Instant verification. If you have already verified your business in Google Search Console, you may get instant verification. Why is verification important? Without verification, you cannot manage or optimize your profile, and your business will not appear in search results. 2. Provide accurate business information. NAP consistency. Your business name, address, and phone number must be 100% accurate and consistent across the internet. Even a small inconsistency, such as listing street versus street, can confuse search engines and hurt your local rankings. Essential information to include in your GBP. Business name. Use your official business name. Do not stuff keywords or add unnecessary details. Address. Enter your correct business address. Use the same format across all platforms. Phone number. Use a local phone number, not a toll-free or call center number, to build trust. Website URL. Link to your official website. Business hours. Keep your hours updated, including holiday hours. Businesses with incorrect hours get lower rankings. Why NAP consistency matters. Google cross-checks your business details with other online directories like Yelp, Facebook, and Bing Places. If your name, address, or phone number differs, it creates confusion and may prevent your business from ranking. 3. Select the right business categories. Choosing the right business categories helps Google understand what your business offers and match you with relevant searches. How to choose categories. Select a primary category that best describes your main service. Add secondary categories for additional services you offer. For example, a law firm could choose primary category, personal injury attorney, secondary categories, divorce lawyer, estate planning attorney. 4. Write a keyword-rich business description. Your business description appears in your Google listing and gives customers an overview of what you do. A well-written description improves search rankings and attracts more clicks. How to write a perfect GBP description. Use local keywords. Example, we are a top-rated roofing contractor in Miami, offering affordable and high-quality roof repairs. Highlight your unique selling points. Example, with over 20 years of experience, we provide the best HVAC repair services in New York. Keep it concise, 750 characters max. The most important information should be in the first 250 characters. 5. Add high-quality photos and videos. Businesses with photos get 42% more clicks and 35% more engagement than those without them. Adding high-quality images helps build trust and makes your profile stand out. What photos should you upload? Exterior photos help customers recognize your location. Interior photos show the atmosphere inside your business. Products/service photos display your menu, products, or services. Team photos make your business more personal by showing your staff. 6. Encourage and respond to customer reviews. Google reviews are one of the strongest ranking factors for local SEO. Businesses with high ratings and frequent reviews rank higher. How to get more reviews. Ask customers directly, politely request reviews from happy customers. Use review links, share your Google review link on your website and social media. Reply to every review, always respond even to negative reviews. How to respond to reviews professionally. Positive review. Thank you, customer name. We appreciate your support and are happy you had a great experience. Negative review. We are sorry to hear about your experience. Please contact us at email so we can resolve this issue. 7. Post regular updates using Google Posts. Google allows businesses to share updates, promotions, events, and news through Google Posts. Posting regularly keeps your profile active and engaging, which improves rankings. What to post? Announce special promotions and discounts. Share upcoming events and sales. Highlight new products or services. Provide business updates or blog links. Google Post best practices. Use high-quality images. Posts with images get more engagement. Add a call to action. Example, call now, book an appointment, or learn more. Keep posts short and engaging. Posts should be 80 to 100 words for best readability. Local SEO is one of the most powerful tools for businesses that rely on local customers. Whether you are a restaurant owner, service provider, or retail store, optimizing for local search will help you attract more customers and grow your business. If you really want to take your SEO career to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing Courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying career in SEM. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.